How is the memory allocated for numpy arrays in Python? I tried to understand the difference caused by numpy 2D arrays, that is, numpy.03, numpy.03, 1, numpy.01, 3. I used it to look at the memory allocation for each element. But I found some weird outputs in IPython console. The memories of the elements are not consecutive, changing without reassignment. Moreover, the elements in the array of shape 1, 3 seem to be of successive memory at first, but it's not even the case for other shapes, like I am actually not quite sure whether it is suitable to check memory in Python. From my knowledge, I guess there is no easy way to get the physical address of variables in Python. Just like C or Java, I expect the elements in such 2D arrays should be consecutive in memory, which seems not to be true. Besides, the results of it are keeping changing, which really confuses me. I am interested in this because I am using MPI4Py a little bit, and I want to figure out how the variables are sent/received between pus.
NumPy array saves its data in a memory area separated from the object itself, as following image shows. To get the address of the data, you need to create views of the array and check the ctypes.data attribute, which is the address of the first data element.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.